third set of these I've seen fly by, and there's one by itself that came off of the second group and did a sweep around and went back over this way, and apparently I assume met with those. So I don't know what the hell's going on there. It's not atypical for Fort Hood, because I'm not that far from Fort Hood, but it's definitely atypical for Austin, which is where I'm at. Well, that was weird. Came out here to film more helicopters going by, and there's some random fucking person sitting in front of my house. Oh, that's scaring me a little bit. It works. Yeah, that's another thing. I don't know what the hell's going on with this, but there's always people sitting outside of my damn house. I don't know, I'm starting to sound paranoid, but really, I mean, every day, you know, it's about somebody will sit in front of my fucking house. I know it's not just me being all conspiracy theory and shit. Helicopters are one thing. I just found it kind of odd that there are helicopters, you know, flying around the neighborhood. Not really a base here. I mean, there's kind of a base, but it's definitely not that direction, and it's a retired Army base or Air Force, something like that. But as far as the people sitting out in front of my house, that's just weird. People do that all the damn time. I don't know why. I don't know why they think it's cool to just stop in front of my house. There they are. So I'm starting to think this is the same group of helicopters flying over time and time again, which is actually more unnerving than multiple sets of helicopters, because that means they're patrolling for something. So, Alex Jones, what the fuck are these guys doing here in Austin, in our backyard? And that guy, that motherfucker that was singing in front of my house, what the fuck is he doing? It's weird. Weird day.